Given the situation in, we all are living today, it becomes of utmost priority for all the citizens around the world to wash our hands frequently, either with a soap water or clean it with a hand sanitizer. We should not move out of our houses unless or until it is very urgent for us. And if we are going outside our house, then we should wear mask. We should follow all the safety precautions that the government of India has issued. Hello, friends. This is Ronak Shah, and since we all are surrounded by all such kind of thoughts, so I just thought of sharing this message along with you. Now let's get back to chemistry. बहुत बार students आपको ये doubts होता होगा कि हमें पढ़ाई करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता या फिर ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिल पाता क्योंकि डेली हमारे लेक्चर्स होते हैं और फिर लेक्चर्स के बाद उन टीचर्स का होमवर्क होता है और फिर हमें संडे टेस्ट की भी पढ़ाई करनी होती है. So we do not get much time to cover the backdated syllabus. So guys, this 10 to 15 days whatever we have in our hands, it is one of the platinum opportunity that we can have. So grab it with both the hands. ये जो भी आपको holidays मिले हैं, try to cover all the backdated syllabus so that once we start with our 12th standard syllabus, you are on track with whatever has been completed in our 11th standard syllabus. So guys, I'm going to share four important chapters as far as chemistry is concerned, which needs to be done very thoroughly, and without which it would be very very difficult, or you can say next to impossible to conquer our 12th standard syllabus. So the four chapters are, the first and the foremost important chapter जो आपको अच्छे से आना ही चाहिए, that is nature of chemical bond. जो भी हमने ये चैप्टर में कंसेप्ट्स किए, चाहे वो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन हो, वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ थियरी हो, वो हमें आगे जाके 12th स्टैंडर्ड में काम आने ही वाला है. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कम अगेन एंड अगेन in JEE exams, NEET exams, board exams, CET exams, and also in NATA exams. So, this chapter carries weightage anywhere around about 12 to 16 marks in your JEE papers, uh, approximately 12 to 16 marks in your NEET exams, 3 to 4 questions minimum 3 to 4 questions in your CET exams, and also it will help you in your NATA exams also. Okay, so you need to do this chapter very thoroughly. The second important chapter that you need to do very thoroughly is the chapter of periodic table. Now you might wonder कि sir periodic table तो बहुत ही simple और बहुत ही छोटा chapter है. Guys, remember this, अगर आपको periodic table बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आता है, उसमें हमने जो भी trends किए, जो भी concepts किए, if you have a stronger grip on those concepts, then obviously it will help you in the next three chapters, that is S block elements, P block elements, D and F block elements. And together combinedly, periodicity related chapters जो है, again you will have 3 to 4 questions in JEE, 3 to 4 questions in NEET exams, equal amount of questions in your CET, and obviously it will help us in our boards as well as in NATA exams. Okay, so you need to do periodic chapter very thoroughly. Now the third most important chapter that you need to do is the god of organic chemistry, that is general organic chemistry. Guys, you might remember this. We had our first lecture on 22nd of May, and we had started with general organic chemistry chapter. Resonance ho, hyperconjugation ho, inductive effect ho, and right from the first letter of that chapter till the last letter, whatever we have written in our notes, you need to know very thoroughly. The fourth important chapter that we need to do is the chapter of hydrocarbons, where we have alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic compounds together put together. So guys, these are the four important chapters that we need to do very thoroughly. Okay, without which it will be, as I told you earlier, it won't be possible for you to get good marks in your 12th standard and all the entrance exams that you are going to give. Now, having said that, this does not mean that बाकी के chapters important नहीं है या फिर आपको वो पढ़ाई नहीं करना है. It is just that you need to do this four chapters very thoroughly, and then afterwards, you can take the rest of the remaining small chapters. So this is it that I wanted to tell you. Now the second thing is, many of the times students tell us कि sir हमें पता है कि हमें कौन से chapters अच्छे तरीके से करने हैं पहले, but we live in a world of internet where there is lot of exposure to the study material. तो कहाँ से पढ़ना है वही हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So guys, we have discussed this in our normal classroom lectures also, but we'll do it again. सबसे पहले मान के चलो कि आप नेचर ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्ड पढ़ रहे हो, तो सबसे पहले आपको वो क्लासेस का हैंड रिटन नोट्स अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना है. वॉट एवर वी हैव रिटन वो अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, द सेकेंड थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू इज, अगर आप जेई एग्जाम्स दे रहे हो, नीट एग्जाम्स दे रहे हो, तो आपको वो चैप्टर का एनसीईआरटी अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना होगा. अगर आप सीईटी एग्जाम्स दे रहे हो तो वो चैप्टर का आपको एसटीबी पढ़ना होगा, दैट इज योर स्टेट टेक्स्ट बुक. And obviously, if you are going for NATA exams or only for board exams, still you need to do the STB of that chapter. जब आप STB या फिर NCERT पढ़ते हो, it will be a kind of second revision for you, because उसमें वही आप सब पढ़ोगे जो हमने ऑलरेडी क्लासेस के हैंड रिटन नोट्स में आपको लिखवाया है. Okay, so that is the second thing that you need to do. The third thing that you need to do, if you are specially oriented only for entrance exams, is that you need to read the synopsis of the PI volume. जो भी हमारे classes के PI volume आपको दिया गया है उसमें भी synopsis है, so that will be a third revision for you. And if you are going only for NATA exams or board exams, solve book back questions of that chapter. So that is the third thing that you need to do. The fourth thing that you need to do is solve solve the MCQs of that chapter very thoroughly. Go through. The fifth thing that you need to do is solve previous classes test series. Try to see whatever mistakes you have made. So this is it. So starting from next week, what we are planning is every day, we are going to send you one a PDF test paper of 10 to 15 questions of all these four chapters in the same chronological order. And on Friday, that is on the fifth day, we'll keep a combined test of all the four chapters. The motive of this video being shared with you is that we want you to be very thorough with the first four chapters that we have discussed now, so that once we start with our 12th standard syllabus, you become the king and queen of these four chapters. Okay, so till then we meet in our offline lectures. Study well, stay healthy, and stay fit. Thank you, friends.